This is model number 290 single phase dual converter. Here we have one bridge comprising of 4 SCRs, another bridge comprising of another 4 SCRs. These 4 SCRs are triggered by these 4 optoisolators, and these 4 SCRs are triggered by these 4 optoisolators. And though we can use normal 230 volt supply here and connect a DC motor of 230 volt here, for ease of operation we have tried to connect a 12 volt DC motor and 12 volt AC supply, which we are taking it from the secondary of the transformer and as well to the circuit. So we get 12 volt AC here, 12 volt AC here, and then we get the DC here. And this DC, as far as the dual converter is concerned, the polarity will change automatically based on the pressing of the button, and the speed also can be controlled. So we can see that. So once we switch on this, what we notice that while there is a button for the upper button is for the direction, whereas the button is for the speed. Now if I press this, the speed, now it is attaining a particular speed. We find that these 4 optoisolators are on, triggering these 4 SCRs. And while we change the speed, we press it, the speed comes down, we press it again, the speed further comes down, and one more press, it stops. Similarly, for the other direction, when we press this and then we press this, we find the motor rotates in the other direction. Similarly, the speed is also controlled in that other direction also. Off. And now again full speed. At any given time we can switch over from the one direction to the other by pressing this. Now I press this, it changes to the other direction. This other direction. The question might come here that why we use a 12 volt DC motor here. We can jolly well use a higher voltage DC motor, but since this is a demo project, we have used this, but the SCRs are capable of handling a 12 volt DC motor also. So all that we have to do is to provide 230 volt AC here and provide a 220 volt DC motor here. Of course should be less than 1 HP because the SCR rating has been taken accordingly. Thank you.